Okay, we're going to start it this way. I make it all up. None of it has to be true. You don't have to believe anything. But I'm going to show you this card right here. Okay, do you see the card? We have 5 clubs on the card. There's 3 clubs that are pointing towards the north, and there are 2 clubs pointing towards the south. The reason for choosing the 5 card is if you look at the 4 corners, okay, the 4 corners are just like the 4 card, just like the 4 elements on earth: the fire, the water, the wind, and the earth. The center one is the creator, it's our God. We needed him to create everything. So what I'm going to show you now is that the letter G is the 7th letter in the alphabet, and some refer it to as the letter of God. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take those 3 little images there, and we're going to add them onto this paper here. Can you see this paper? Okay, 28 days in February. 7 times 4 is 28. The 7 is for God, okay, and the 4 are the elements that he used. So 7 times the 4 elements made that perfect month, right? So now what we do is we take, we're going to show you back the 5 card here, we take the 3 north, okay, and we add it to the 28. We get 28 plus 3 days equals 31 days. Since it's 7 is God, times the 31 days, that's how many months there are with 31 days. Then we go to the 4 months, and if you look at the south on the card, you see that the south on the card right here, there's 2 of them. Okay? Now since there's 4 elements, you have 4 months that you add those 2 south images on the club. In the 4 months, there you got 30 days. So that's how we get the number of days in the months we have, and it's for that reason we have it. Now, the month of February is a perfect month, and I call it the month of blackjack, because I'm going to try and show you this. I hope you can see the word Valentine over here. If you add up all the letters in Valentine, the count is 102. Okay, now if you go back to the deck of cards and you count the ace all the way down to the 10, okay, over to the jack, and then in blackjack the ace is a value of 11, the queen is 12, the king is 13. You add them together, you got 102. You got the exact same number for the same difference in the month. I'm going to hold the paper a little higher, okay? You see that ace jack and blackjack, okay? See the 4, when you turn it sideways, it becomes a J for jack. And the A. Anyways, now we're going to go to one other thing. You see the ace to the king, if you add up one suit, ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, jack, queen, king, the total count is 91. There are 4 seasons in the year, and there are 4 suits in the deck. So we multiply 4 times 91. 4 times 91 equals to 364. Okay, we have 364. Now this is supposed to be the number of days in a year. Now we've got a problem. Something's missing. Well, don't forget, you have to count the whole suit as 1. The totality of a suit is 1. So what we do is we will take the club suit, and for 1 year, there's a 4-year, what do you call it, rotation. So we'll take the club suit and we'll add it for 1 year, so it'll be 365. The next year we'll use the spade suit, and that'll be 365. The next year we'll use the heart suit, and that'll be 365. Then the last year, okay, the suit that we're going to use is this one here. You see, it's the diamonds, because there are no north and south on the diamonds. They count for both ways, so it counts for 2 days in the 4th year as the leap year. Therefore, you have 365 and 366. Anyways, I'm not quite sure how this video is. If you don't understand it, comment on it, ask me. I'll give you an answer. You don't have to believe me. It is what it is. Alright? Have a good night. Ciao.